Parliament panel seeks stronger NTA timely exams and results. School holidays across state from December 8 to 14 amid weather, elections and strikes. COHSE Manipur releases 2026 Class 11 and 12 board exam date sheet. Over 10,000 posts vacant in Kendriya Vidyalaya amid declining admissions. UNSW Sydney to open Bengaluru campus by August 2026. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education criticized the National Testing Agency for delays, errors and repeated exam disruptions, stating that it has not inspired much confidence. The panel noted postponing of UGC, NEET, CSIR, NET PG, NEET PG and delayed CUET results along with errors in JEE Main 2025 and the NEET UG paper leak. It urged NTA to use Rs 448 crore surplus to strengthen in-house testing and vendor oversight and backed a shift towards pen and paper exams, citing their leak-proof records. Reviewing draft UGC regulations, the committee called for wider consultations, quick appointments and a UG chairperson, strong anti-discrimination rules, including protection for OBC and disabled students. The report emphasized timely exams and results to prevent academic delays. Schools in multiple states will remain shut between December 8 to 14 due to severe winter conditions, heavy rainfalls, teacher strikes and local elections. In Jammu and Kashmir, winter zone schools were closed for a week as a deep cold wave and early snowfall makes travel unsafe. Extended weather vacations run from late November to February. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and coastal Andhra Pradesh have declared closures from December 8 to 13 due to rain linked to Cyclone Ditwa. Kerala will shut all the schools on December 9th and 11th for local body elections. Maharashtra faces disruptions in Marathwada region as teachers strike over mandatory. TET faces closure. Though Mumbai schools largely remain open, families are urged to follow district level updates. The Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur has announced the 2026 board exam schedule. Class 11 exams begin February 16 and Class 12 from February 17, with Class 12 practical set for Jan 2 to 31, 2026. Schools with fewer than 10 candidates will be attached to other institutions. Practical marks must be uploaded between January 3 to February 2, with February 3rd as the final deadline. Class 12 theory exams ran from February 17 to March 20 in a single 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. shift covering English, MIL or alternative English, Science, Commerce, Humanities and elective languages. Recent years saw exams held around similar dates with 94% pass rate in 2024 and girls topping all major streams. Kendriya Vidyalaya nationwide faces a major staffing crunch with 10,173 vacancies, up to 8,457 teaching and 1,716 non-teaching out of 56,520 sanctioned posts. The Education Ministry told Lok Sabha as of November 1, 2025, only 46,347 positions were filled. Vacancies arise due to new KVs, retirements, resignations, transfers and promotions, making recruitment continuous. Since 2014, 33,350 appointments have been made, with 2022-23 marking the largest drive. 11,733 teachers hires. Contractual hiring remains high, peaking at 10,462 in 2022-23. 6,920 teachers are still on contract base. Despite the sanction of 142 new KVs in 2024-25 and PM Shri updates, fresh admissions have declined sharply from 1.95 lakh in 2020-21 to 5-year low of 1.39 lakh in 2024-25. UNSW Sydney will establish its first first India campus in Bengaluru by August 2026 after receiving a letter of intent from UGC during the Australia-India Education and Skill Council meeting. Ranked with 20th in QS World University Rankings 2026, UNSW will offer undergraduate and postgraduate programs in business, media, computer science, data science, and cybersecurity. Australia's Education Minister Jason Clare noted that 7 out of 19 international universities cleared to open in India are Australian, reflecting strong bilateral ties. Other AIESE outcomes include collaborations in early childhood education, teacher training, sports curriculum development, and potential new CBSE schools in Australia. Joint research initiatives will span AI, biodiversity, mobility, mining, sustainability, and disaster resilience.